Hello and welcome back to another Fly With Me flight report, this time aboard Malaysia Airlines business class from Kuala Lumpur to Manila. Check-in at Kuala Lumpur International Airport was seamless, and business-class passengers now enjoy terminal transfers in private Mercedes-Benz vehicles, a noticeable upgrade from the dedicated bus service at the time of filming. The 4-hour flight operates on a Boeing 737-800 series featuring recliner seats, widely regarded as more comfortable than the airline's newer retrofitted cabins. Boarding commenced on time after my visit to the Golden Lounge. I was promptly greeted with a refreshing guava juice, my drink of choice, and a hot towel. A physical menu was provided, offering 3 main course selections for the meal service. The safety demonstration was conducted manually as the in-flight entertainment system had issues. Even though the seats on the aircraft are dated, it was very comfortable in general. After takeoff, the crew began service with hot beverages. I chose Malaysia Airlines' signature teh tarik, served promptly alongside their famous peanuts, which, unfortunately, I couldn't enjoy due to allergies. Following a quick visit to the well-maintained lavatory, meal service began. I opted for the satay with fried rice, paired with another round of guava juice, a business-class exclusive. The dish was flavorful, though the portion size could have been more generous for a premium cabin. Unfortunately, the IFE system was inoperable throughout the flight despite the crew's attempts to resolve it. Without entertainment, the 4-hour journey felt longer, leaving only the window views as a distraction. The cabin crew remained exceptionally attentive and apologetic. Post-flight, I submitted feedback to Malaysia Airlines customer care team, and they compensated me with 3,000 enriched points, a modest but appreciated gesture. Since this review was delayed, this older cabin will soon be phased out in favor of retrofitted interiors. That said, Malaysia Airlines' true strength lies in its crew. Their professionalism and hospitality remain unmatched.